Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. The To Market Airdrop controversy and its impact on $ToMate price. A deep dive. To Market, a blockchain-based platform designed to offer an array of decentralized services, has been gaining attention due to its highly anticipated token, $ToMate. However, the project has found itself embroiled in controversy following its airdrop event, which aimed to distribute $ToMate tokens to early adopters and platform users. This airdrop, though intended as a reward for platform engagement, has sparked significant debate regarding its fairness, particularly in how it favored premium users over regular ones. As the market waits for the official To Market token listing, the airdrop's fallout raises important questions about its potential effects on the $ToMate price and whether these controversies will influence investor sentiment. Let's take a closer look at the various aspects of the situation, including the airdrop controversy, price predictions, and what investors can expect moving forward. 1. The To Market Airdrop, rewards or discontent. The core of the controversy surrounding To Market's token distribution lies in how the airdrop was structured. The platform used a tiered system called the stars and levels, which was meant to reward more active users with a larger share of tokens. The logic behind this model was to incentivize users to engage more with the platform, effectively driving both usage and growth. However, this system backfired for several reasons. Unequal distribution. The airdrop favored premium members, those who paid for higher-level services or who had been particularly active on the platform, by granting them a much larger proportion of the token supply. On average, premium users received several times more tokens than regular, non-premium users. Impact on non-premium users. Regular participants, many of whom had been supporting the platform early on but did not have the financial means or time to engage at a premium level, received significantly fewer tokens. For instance, while premium users saw allocations in the hundreds of thousands, non-premium users only received around 18,000 $ToMate tokens on average. This disparity created a perception that the airdrop was not an inclusive or equitable reward system. Community backlash. The reaction from the community was swift and vocal. Many felt that the distribution was unfair and that it undermined the spirit of decentralization that crypto projects often pride themselves on. Some users argued that airdrops should reward community members based on engagement and support, not based on their ability to pay for premium services. The backlash was especially intense on social media platforms, where users voiced concerns that the airdrop would exclude a significant portion of the community and tarnish To Market's reputation. Platform response. In response to the criticism, To Market explained that the stars and levels system was designed to incentivize platform growth by rewarding those who contributed most to the ecosystem's success. However, despite these justifications, the distribution model failed to quell the growing dissatisfaction among regular users, and the controversy lingered. 2. $ToMate token price predictions. Will the controversy affect the market? With the airdrop now behind us, the focus has shifted to $ToMate's price once it hits exchanges. As is often the case with new crypto listings, the market's initial reaction to the token's debut will be influenced by a combination of factors: investor sentiment, broader market conditions, and the perceived value of the underlying platform. Here's what we can expect in terms of price predictions. Initial price prediction: low launch price. Many analysts predict that $ToMate will launch at a relatively modest price point. It is expected to debut at around $0.0009 per token, a typical entry price for a new token. The token could face initial volatility as early investors and those who received tokens in the airdrop look to cash out. Since To Market's platform is still in its early stages, this low starting price might reflect the uncertainty surrounding the token's adoption and utility. Additionally, some investors might look to sell off their tokens immediately after the airdrop, which could place downward pressure on the price in the first few days of trading. Optimistic price scenario: the potential for growth. In a more optimistic scenario, if ToMarket's platform successfully gains traction and more users sign up, $TOMA could see significant growth. Several factors could contribute to this. Increased adoption. As more people discover and use ToMarket's platform, the demand for $TOMA could increase. This would be especially true if ToMarket offers unique features or services that differentiate it from other platforms in the space. The growth of a thriving ecosystem could lead to price appreciation over time. Bullish market sentiment. If the broader cryptocurrency market enters a bullish phase, the price of $TOMA could rise with the overall market. Positive developments, such as high-profile partnerships, platform upgrades, or innovative features, could further boost the token's value. Price predictions for optimism. In the best-case scenario, analysts suggest that $TOMA could reach between $0.0035 and $0.0055 per token. This would represent a strong appreciation from its initial price and would likely be driven by the growing popularity of the platform and greater adoption. Bearish price scenario: risk of decline. However, there's also a significant downside risk that could lead to a price drop. Market conditions. Cryptocurrencies are notorious for their volatility, and the broader market sentiment can have a profound effect on individual tokens. If there's a market downturn or if investors lose confidence in the ToMarket platform, the price of $TOMA could drop significantly. Airdrop fallout. The fallout from the airdrop controversy could have lingering effects on investor sentiment. If a large portion of the user base remains dissatisfied with the way the airdrop was handled, there could be a lack of enthusiasm for the token, which would drive down demand and, by extension, its price. Price predictions for pessimism. In a bearish scenario, $TOMA could see its price dip to around $0.0004 to $0.0006, reflecting a loss in confidence. This would especially be the case if the community's dissatisfaction with the platform spills